Popeyes workers, according to the narrative, came outside of the building, went into a customer's car, and did this. Pulled out her hair. She provided some commentary about what happened. Let's keep that picture up. One of the things she said was, I was thinking, why me? She was also thinking she would not get back to her family during the assault. The individuals involved were arrested. They have been charged. There's a lawsuit now. Attorney Davis has filed a lawsuit. Let's put up parts of the complaint. It says complaint comes now. Denetra Dawson, who's the plaintiff, and hereby makes and files this complaint against 755 Restaurant Corporation, DBA Popeyes Louisiana Kitchen, defendant, Denise Taylor, Zaria Evans, and shows this honorable court the following. Parties, jurisdiction, and venue 1. Plaintiff, Denetra Dawson, is a resident of the state of Georgia and files this action against the defendant, 755 Restaurant Corporation, DBA Popeyes, Denise Taylor, and Zaria Evans, to hold the defendant Popeyes accountable for its employees' violent attack upon and physical beating administered to Ms. Dawson on September 3rd, 2022, causing her to suffer injuries, harms, and losses for which the defendants bear moral and legal liability. We have been in communication directly with the attorney, the lead attorney on this case. The young lady who was attacked, obviously this was an extreme experience. And now the wheels of justice, at least civil justice, are moving in the right direction. One of the dynamics involved is that the local restaurant owner, according to the report, did not properly do a background check on individuals who are working there. Now, I'm no advocate of dismissing folk because they've had a previous run-in with law enforcement, not at all. I have companies myself. We hire individuals who have had entanglements with law enforcement. I have no problem with that. Typically, there's a process to make sure that we are operating both in good faith. I don't think Popeyes had any process whatsoever because they, according to the report, didn't even bother. And this has been something systemic inside of Black communities in particular. We want to make sure that there's opportunity for rehabilitation, there's opportunity for mentorship, there's opportunity for training. Correction has its place. But if you don't even bother to check, and it is the custom, the policy, and the rule, well, what are you saying about the people you serve? All right, we shall see as this story develops, but Jeff, this was a hell of a thing because according to the complaint, the young lady simply went back to get the order fixed or updated because the order was incorrect.
Yeah, and when you presented this last week as far as news goes, I didn't know this was the family affair. So apparently, as you just alluded to, Denetra Evans and her sister and her daughter attacked a woman who was getting food for her family. So imagine that. A family of individuals almost prevented someone from going home to their own family. Like that is devastatingly sad just for something that's seemingly simple. Like Burger King made a whole statement, logo, slogan about this thing, have it your way. They'll fix your order or prepare it correctly. And Popeyes employees apparently had an issue with it, jumped in the passenger seat of the car and attacked the woman.
Yep. You know, if the company would have taken the normative steps to make sure there was a background, if there was an issue, the person provides a statement explaining what happened, explaining their transformation. These things are quite common in the workplace. But when you don't do that, and when you don't have any of these explanations on file, well, now you have a liability because you did not do due diligence at all. You could have come with the same outcome, meaning the person is employed. But the fact that you did not do any due diligence to mitigate liability, you now have full liability because you did nothing.